What, Yasmin?
Nothing.
You said Dave. I could.
What'd you say?
I could.
Oh.
Anyways, that fluffball. That's my friend, Gothic. Her name is Gothic. And what we're gonna talk about today is Justin Bieber.
Today on TikTok.
Today on Dick and Duck, we are gonna talk about Justin Bieber.
I get a very bad voodoo from cupcakes.
What? Ain't no party like a chipmunk party, cause chipmunk party don't stop. Hey!
Ain't no party like a chipmunk party, cause chipmunk party don't stop. Ain't
no
no party like a chipmunk party, cause chipmunk party don't stop. Ain't no party like a chipmunk party, cause chipmunk party don't stop. Ain't no party like a chipmunk party, cause chipmunk party don't stop. Ain't no party like a chipmunk.
Did you hear me?
Party don't stop. It's just me and the girls. The girls. That's on Alvin and the Chipmunks one. Okay, what are you gonna do?
Going in the Mickey D's, getting me a hamburger and cheese. Woohoo! Yep. I went to Mickey D's and got me a hamburger and cheese.
Actually, a fillet of fish. Double fillet of fish. The meal.
You saw me. Well, anyways, we're gonna make this video short, and I'm eating chili. Bye.